Namaskar, my dear children. Welcome to all. How are you? Fine. Do you remember me? I am your Hindi teacher. Your Hindi teacher, Raji Miss. राजी मिस। बच्चों, सबके घरों में बगीचा है। What is the meaning of बगीचा? बगीचा means garden. वहाँ कौन कौन से पौधे हैं? पौधे means plants. In the garden, you can see different types of plants, flowers, etc. Different colors you can see there. White color flower, red color flower, yellow color flower, etc. We will get pleasant smell from that. Pleasant smell, not bad smell, pleasant smell. Flowers attracting our minds. Okay. फूलों का राजा है गुलाब। गुलाब फूलों का राजा है। फूलों का राजा means king of flower. फूलों की रानी चमेली है। रानी means queen. Queen of flowers चमेली है। चमेली means jasmine. Ladies are using the flowers to decorate their hair. बच्चों, ध्यान से इधर देखिए. You can see different types of flowers. Yellow color flower, red color flower, white color flower. Different types of flowers. Okay? आज हम फूल से संबंधित एक छोटी सी कविता पढ़ने जा रही है। फूल से संबंधित एक छोटी सी कविता पढ़ने जा रही है। फूल। इधर देखिए, फूल। What is the meaning of this? Flower. 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 Okay. फूल वातावरण को सुगंधित करता है। फूलों को अपना रस पिलाता है। फूलों से माला बनाई जाती है। औरतें अपने बालों पर सजाते हैं। भगवान को अर्पित करते हैं। When we are going to the temple, we are taking flowers also. Okay? To make garland, we are using flowers. इधर देखो बच्चों, कविता एक है। हंसते फूल फूल हंसते फूल हंसाते फूल हंसाते हंसाते फूल। सेकंड लाइन, सबको सुख पहुंचाते फूल। को सुख पहुंचाते फूल. Next, जाने क्या अपनी भाषा में फूलों से विधियाते फूल. फूलों से विधियाते फूल. By her first 6 lines. Now I am going to teach you only 4 lines. This lesson's 6 lines you have to by her. Now I am going to teach you only 4 lines. Listen here. Haste phool. Phool, flower. I already wrote there the meaning. Haste phool. Phool स्वयं हंसते हैं. Self, the flower is laughing. Then हंसाते फूल. हंसना, what is the meaning? हंसते, laugh, हंसते फूल. हंसाते, to make us to laugh. The flower is make us to laugh. हंसते फूल, हंसाते फूल. We all know the flower is attracting us and they are spreading the pleasant smell. They are spreading pleasant smell. सबको सुख पहुंचाते फूल. They are giving happiness. They are giving happiness. The flower is the symbol of happiness. सुख का प्रतीक है. फूल सुख का प्रतीक है. What's the meaning of pratik? Symbol or sign. The sign of happiness. सबको सुख पहुंचाते फूल. फूल. Next line, first line, हंसते फूल, self laughing, हंसाते फूल, make us to, that means make others to laugh. Then सबको सुख पहुंचाते फूल, सुगंध पहुंचाते. प्रसन्न हो जाता है. सबके मन को प्रसन्न हो जाता है. जाने क्या अपनी भाषा में. They are talking. Each and every plants have their own languages. Self, they are talking each other. We don't know which language they are using. Birds, animals and plants, they are using their own languages. Okay. जाने क्या अपनी भाषा में. भाषा means, what's the meaning of भाषा? Language. अपनी भाषा, their own language they are using to talk each other. Understood? फूलों से विधियाते फूल. फूलों means bees. What's the meaning of फूलों? Bees. Aurum se Vedyate fool. Vedyana means, what is the meaning of Vedyate? Talk. Vedyana means talk. Aurum se Vedyate fool. Bees are sucking juice from the flowers. Right? Bees are sucking the juice of the flowers. Every day they are coming near to the flower. They are sitting on the flower and sucking the juice. At that time, flowers become very happy. Why? Because they are giving the juice to them. To them means who? Bees. They are talking. The plants and bees are talking. They are using their own language. We don't know what they are talking. Gaurum se Vedyate fool. See children, the picture shown in the textbook is almond flower. Have you ever seen that flower? If not, you can see this flower in our school. In our school you can see this flower. बच्चों ध्यान से इधर देखिए. Look at here. You can see one plant with a flower. Which color of flower this? Yellow color. Leaf green in color. Flower yellow. And one more thing you can see in this picture. One bee is sitting on a flower. And what the bee is doing? The bee is sucking the juice of the flower. Can you see this? The bee is sucking the juice of the flower. Okay. Listen here. Look at the board. Poem's first 4 lines. I will read one more time. Haste fool. Self laughing. Haste fool. Hasate fool. To make others to laugh. The flower is trying to make others to laugh. Asate fool. Sabko sukh pahunchate fool. Sabko sukh. What's the meaning of this word sukh? Happiness. Sabko sukh pahunchate fool. जाने क्या अपनी भाषा में. जाने क्या, who knows what they are speaking. What they are speaking. Their own language they are using. The plant is talking with the bee. जाने क्या अपनी भाषा में. फूलों से बेदियाते फूल. The plant is talking with the bee and the plant is get ready to give the juice to the bee. Okay? फूलों से बेदियाते फूल. समझ में आया बच्चों? हिंदी में अर्थ इसी प्रकार है. कवि कहते हैं कि फूल खिलकर हंसते हैं. फूल खिलकर हंसते हैं. दूसरों को हंसाते हैं. दूसरों को हंसाते हैं. खिले फूल सुंदर दिखते हैं. खिले फूल सुंदर दिखते हैं. इसलिए कवि ने यहाँ फूल को प्रसन्नता का प्रतीक मानते हैं. प्रसन्नता का प्रतीक मानते हैं. इस पंक्तियों में फूल सुख और खुशी पहुंचता है, सुख और खुशी पहुंच जाता है। उदाहरण, कोई छात्र अपने अध्यापिका को फूल देते हैं, तब देखा है अध्यापिका का मुख कैसा होता है। What you can see in teacher's face? Sadness or happiness. Suppose you are giving one flower, one rose flower to a teacher. What you can see the teacher's face? Happiness, right? सुबह तुम उठकर खिड़की से बगीचे में झांकने पर तुम्हें खिला फूल दिखाई देता है। In the morning, when you are waking up, get up from the bed and looking through the window, you can see blossomed flower you can see there. Okay. And ठंडी हवा, that means cool breeze you can feel. तब तुम्हारा मन कैसा हो जाता है? तुम्हारा मन उसी समय प्रसन्न हो जाता है। Okay? Children, do one thing. You take a notebook and write 4 lines of the poem. Consult date and day you have to put in the notebook and write neatly these 4 lines of the poem. Okay? View this heading, fool, and write these 4 lines. Okay? Whenever I am teaching you, you have to write in the notebook also. And last, if you are having last year's book, you can take that and do the homework in that. Write these 4 lines of the poem 3 times in the rough book. Okay? बच्चों ध्यान से इधर देखिए, कठिन शब्द। What is the meaning of this कठिन शब्द? Hard words. Hard words. First one, Hasna. First word is Hasna. Second, Hamja. Hamja. Hamja means bee. Hamja means bees. Hasna, to laugh. What's the meaning of Hasna? To laugh. Has means laugh. Hasna means to laugh. Next word, Vediyana. Next word is Vediyana. Vediyana means to talk. Vediyana. Vediyana, what is the meaning? English meaning? To talk. Fourth word sukh. Fourth one sukh. What's the meaning of sukh? Happiness. Sukh means happiness. Later I will give the English meanings. Okay. These are hard words. Kadina Shabd. First one Asna. Second one Paura. Third one Vidyana. And fourth one Sukha. Second one Samanarthak Shabd. Samanarthak Shabd. What is the meaning of this Samanarthak Shabd? Samanarthak Shabd means Hindi meanings. Hindi meanings. Same meaning word in Hindi. Same meaning word in Hindi. That is Samanarthak Shabd. Pool. Pushpa. Pool means Pushpa. Second one Paura. Paura means bee. Samanarthak Shabd Bhramar. Bhramar. Okay. Samanarthak Shabd means Hindi meaning. Same meaning word in Hindi. Pool, Pushpa. Fool, flower. Samanarthak Shabd Pushpa. Paura, bee. Pauro, bees. Paura, singular, ekavachan. समानार्थक शब्द भ्रमर. समझ में आया बच्चों? Understood? If you have any doubt, you can clear it when we are coming online. Okay? Write it and study well. We will meet next class. Till then, wish you a happy